Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Brian and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a look through this Mac Tools flyer. Now I just did a Cornwell flyer, and like I said in that video, I think I found a more efficient and higher quality way to try to bring you these tool flyers, because a lot of people do enjoy watching the tool flyer videos and they enjoy seeing some of the tool truck deals. So we're going to do Mac Tools today. Now I do know how to do Mac Tools, Mac O Tools, and as we've seen Cornwell Tools, but Snap-on as of yet I cannot do, and a Snap-on truck does not come to my work, so I don't have access to a Snap-on tool flyer. But there is a Snap-on truck around here somewhere, and even if I have to go hunt them down and get the tool flyer and try to get in with the guy on a personal basis, then that's what I'll do. But we'll try to get that tool flyer as well. This is the Mac Tools flyer, valid from December 23rd, 2019 to January 19th, 2020. So there still is about a week and a half where these tool deals are good. On the front page, they say, save big on this high-vis battery service bundle. And we're going to see that on page 1. They're going to let you save $100. This is part number MT6340-GR. And before we go in, you can see at the top there is a little overlay where they're telling me about their cookies, and I cannot get rid of that, so we're just gonna have to deal with it and do the best we can. On the inside, the first deal we're gonna see is the 4-piece multi-purpose carbide burr set for $104.99. Now, I'm not sure the warranty information on these carbide bits, so if somebody knows that, leave that down in the comments, because I'd be interested to know if they are a lifetime warranty, like with a lot of their drill bits and everything else. I feel like that would be a pretty solid buy for somebody, because there are a lot of other cheaper options that are good that you could buy with this that do not come with a lifetime warranty, but these are made in the USA, as we see. And on to the next page. This is the high-vis battery service bundle that we seen on the cover, and this is an entire bundle. You're gonna get your 1700 peak amp jump starter. Now this is actually a JNC 660, if I'm not mistaken. You can find that jump box cheaper. This is a decent jump box. Now I own the Matco jump box, which is actually the JNC 770. So we can see right here, this is your JNC 660 that I was just speaking about, and it's the same jump box. So you can find this jump box for pretty cheap. I mean, even on Tooltopia, we're looking at $120 for this jump box. And as I said, this is a decent jump box. The one that I own, the Matco, the JNC 770, which we see here, JNC 770R. The R just denotes the color of the jump box. So there are like 770G, which will be for green, etc., etc. And this jump box you can get for $145.99. Now I paid $300 for my jump box, but with that being said, it does come with a OBD2 memory saver. However, you can find memory savers solo for pretty cheap. So the only difference is my jump box says Matco and that one says JNC, but even on the Matco jump box it says powered by JNC. But let's get back to this. This is a 1700 peak amp jump starter. You can get it in high-vis green or high-vis orange, and they have a 6 or 12 volt 20 amp battery charger. All of these are available in green or orange. Then we have a 6 or 12 amp 4 amp battery charger maintenance, and you're going to get all three of these in your choice of color for $422.97. So that may be a pretty good deal for somebody if you was interested. But like I said, I mean, $120 for this. So I would imagine you could find some cheaper options. But if you're on the truck and you want to use the credit, then nothing wrong with it. Okay, here, when you buy this 25-piece multi-spline screw extractor set for $149.99, you are going to get this 10-piece left-handed high-speed drill bit set for free. So for $150, you're going to get this and that. So I feel like that would be a pretty solid purchase for somebody, and I would definitely be interested in that if I was purchasing tools on the tool truck right now, which I am not. I am still trying to pay down my bill, and I'm almost completely done with both of them. So hopefully I can keep it that way. Over here, you're going to have your Expert Impact Bundle. You're going to get all of this for just $159.99. So it looks like you're going to get a 12-piece 3/8 drive metric deep impact socket set from 8 to 19. And you're going to get your 3-piece impact magnetic socket adapter set, which includes 1/4 inch to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, and 1/2 inch to 3/4. Then you're also going to get your 5-piece 3/8 impact extension and universal joint kit, which includes 4 impact extensions, which vary in length from 1 3/4, 3 inches, 6 inches, and 12 inches. Then you're going to get 1 impact universal joint. So all 3 of these for $159.99. Now, if you don't know, Expert is Mac Tools off-brand, which is similar to Snap-on and Blue Point. So these are cheaper options for people on the tool truck that may not want to spend the amount of money that it takes to buy something like this made in America. Now, if I'm not mistaken, Expert will probably be made in Taiwan. So, okay, so here we have the, when you buy this, made in the USA 16-piece pick set. And these are nice picks. I like the handles on the Mac Tools picks, but you're going to pay $229.99 for this 16-piece pick set, 2-piece pocket screwdriver set. So in total, you're going to get these 16 picks and these 2 pocket screwdrivers for $229.99. That is expensive, but they're made in the USA and they are a lifetime warranty, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this is right on time. Now, if you've watched my video, I just picked up some new Icon tools, including the Icon snap ring pliers, which there will be a video coming soon, but over here they have their snap ring pliers set, and this is going to run you $264.99. They are made in the USA. Now, these are unique in the fact that they just switch. So they're external and internal, and all you do is push the button and slide it over. And there's different styles of this. There's some that unscrew, and I do have a set of switching snap ring pliers like this, so we'll get a look at that when we do the video. But as we can see, I mean, the price difference is pretty big, but if I'm not mistaken, these are also a lifetime warranty, but so are the Icon snap rings. So most of your tools nowadays, man, are going to be lifetime warranty. But when you get into Harbor Freight, I mean, we can talk about that, but that's for another video. Now down here we have some Knipex, Knipex, Cobra pliers, needle nose pliers, and some cutters. Now these are Knipex, and they just have Mac Tool printed on the handle. But this set right here is going to cost you $142.99. Now you can, if you want my advice, Knipex pliers are my favorite pliers. I think everybody should own Knipex pliers. But with that being said, man, you can find way better deals on Amazon. This set right here will probably cost you about $80-$90, and I'm just guessing, but it's not going to be very much. It may even be cheaper than that. It just won't have the Mac Tools printed on the handle. So if that's not important to you, then you may be able to save you some money. I'll link some of the stuff down below. You can take a look at yourself if you want. Now over here we have the BL Spec brushless motor, brushless combo kit, longer battery life and better performance. You're going to get the drill and 1/4 inch impact driver with a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery for $429.99. Now, as a lot of people know, Mac Tools, owned by Stanley Black & Decker. Stanley Black & Decker also does DeWalt. So we have DeWalt Mac Tools, and then they also have Craftsman now, which we've seen. But these are going to be similar to your DeWalt cordless tools, impacts, and everything. Now, I am going to buy something eventually that maybe we can take a look at and compare it to DeWalt and see if there is in fact much difference at all to justify the price, because as we can see here, this is $429.99 for this kit, whereas you can find the DeWalt kit that would probably be similar to the same quality as this for probably half price. So you may want to keep that in mind if you're considering buying some cordless tools off any tool truck for that matter. Over here, the Mac Tools Solution Circle, the complete solution for diagnosing hidden battery drain. So if you have an issue with parasitic drain, which like I do in my truck, so I would definitely be interested in something like this if I was looking right now. But you're going to get your digital multimeter, and it comes with some leads as we see here, and you're going to get the free parasitic draw current tester for free. So for $180, digital multimeter, parasitic draw tester. Down here we have the Professional Diagnostic Solutions AC/DC low current amp probe for $241.99. Go on to the next page. Now we have the 3/8 drive 90-degree air impact wrench. Now this is an air ratchet. The difference is it impacts instead of just turning just like your normal air ratchet. So when you buy this, for $319.99. You are gonna get this 3/8 drive metric stubby impact socket set. I would imagine probably it's the expert set for free. Down here, the 1/4-inch drive mini air ratchet for $199.99. Now, if you're looking for a mini ratchet, this is a 3/8 drive that I'm talking about. Now, this is 1/4-inch, like I said, but if you're looking for a mini air ratchet, check out the Ingersoll Max 3/8 ratchet. I have that air ratchet. That is a great air ratchet. It's tiny. It's hard for me because I have bigger hands, but it does come in handy. It's nice to have smaller stuff like that. Over here, when you buy this, this is the best air impact, I think, right now on the market. And I'm going to bring that home and we're going to take a look at that one day. But I'm telling you right now, this thing is a monster for $499. Now, the power of this thing is unmatched that I found. And it also comes with this cool LED light ring to illuminate your surface, similar to your cordless tool. So it's definitely pretty cool. And this is rechargeable. This actually, as you see here, it detaches and you can charge it up. Now, when you buy that, as I said, for $499.99, you're going to get this 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive compact air ratchet for free. So that's a pretty decent deal they're giving you. And I honestly, I would pay that for that tool all day. It's worth it. Now, this is unique in the fact that these drives interchange to where you have a 1/4-inch and a 3/8 ratchet in one. I haven't used that, but I would be interested to check that out. And you can see the size of this thing. So it definitely is pretty small. Next page, here's their expert wrench set. This is a 10-piece standard extra long fixed flex head ratcheting wrench set. So this is like your long box end wrench set with the flex head on one side. Now, similar to like the mountain set, but the mountain set is ratcheting on both ends. But these are great to have. Do you want to pay that much for them? That would be on you. The mountain set's pretty good deal, and you can actually warranty that out on the tool truck in a lot of cases. So I think they run about $150. If you're interested in something like that, definitely take a look at that. It'd be worth a look. Over here, they have the 12-piece metric set for $399.99. Now, as I said, this is their off-brand expert, so you could imagine the price. Like when you start looking at the Matco set similar to this, they're pretty expensive. Down here, we have the stubby ratcheting wrench set, $209.99. It's a 14-piece metric stubby ratcheting wrench set, and as we see here, it had the 6-point ratcheting design similar to the Ulsa Tools ratcheting wrench review that I did. And also Capri Tools now has a reversible ratcheting wrench set that they just come out with that are these 6-point designs. So these are unique and they can be cool and they can be nice, but they can be a pain sometimes because you got to get it perfect to get it on there. So it is a tight fit. However, if you're dealing with a rounded fastener, this would be a better fit in my opinion. And over here, when you buy this 1/2-inch drive brushless impact wrench, okay, this is going to be just the bare tool. And like I said, with the DeWalt, these are pretty similar, man. This is the 20-volt max 1/2-inch drive BL spec brushless mid torque impact wrench. So this is your mid torque, $239.99. They're going to give you this 1/2-inch drive by 3/8 drive impact universal joint. So if you were interested in buying that, you know, they are made in the USA. I don't know about this. I don't know if this is made in the USA, but these cordless tools, Mac tools, are made in the USA. Just like with DeWalt, with global components, but you're never going to get a fully USA made tool like this. Alrighty, next page. They have their hex key sets. You're going to get a 13-piece ball-in hex key set, $44.99, and over here is the 9-piece metric ball-in hex key set for $34.99. I mean, there is situations where I've ran to where I need to have something like this, but they're few and far in between. Most of the time I'm going to use a hex socket. Here's their 20-volt max lithium-ion 4-amp-hour battery. We can see the price of that, pretty expensive. And here's the charger. We can see the price of that, pretty expensive. However, that's pretty similar to your DeWalt charger price. So is not much different. They have the Mac Tools folding utility knife for $32.99. They're going to give you a 100 pack of blades for free, so that's a pretty decent deal, and I would definitely be interested in that. However, you can't find these pretty cheap. All right, let's get down to their clothes here. Let's zoom in. All right. Gonna have your locals only hoodie. We're gonna see the prices here so you can take a look for yourself. Rust bucket pullover hoodie, your boosted hoodie, your 3-in-1's men jacket. Okay, here's some more Dickie line jacket. Turbo Skull work shirt, $59.99. Bluetooth beanie, $29.99. Those are nice for if you're working somewhere to where they don't want you to listen to any music. You know, these will help hide that if you're, trying to do something like that, which I definitely am. It makes the workday go better, and I don't understand why you wouldn't want your employees. Why I can understand the fact that for safety issues, somebody needs to hear, but you had to be smart. You can control the volume of your headphones and listen and still be able to hear both things at the same time, but that's going to be completely up to you. Now we have a light up Bluetooth speaker, 4 to 5 hours of playtime, $69.99. RC truck, $39.99. The Mac Tools RC truck. Go back. Let's go to the next page, and this is the back cover. So we can see at the back, they're going to offer this Wheel Pro bag for $94.99. Pretty cool. You can fill that up with some tools. That would be a pretty cool thing, I think, to take to a pull and pay. And I just use the DeWalt bag when I go to the pull and pay, but I am thinking about maybe switching to a pack out type system for that instead. And this would be a pretty good option as well. Then they have the multi-use tool bag for $74.99. So if you was interested in a tool bag, and that looks like that's going to be it. Like I said, I'm trying to bring these to you more efficiently and of higher quality. So hopefully it turns out and hopefully you enjoy it. Next is going to be the Matco. And like I said, I wish I could do Snap-on, but I can't. But these are not going to count as my weekly videos. I'm just going to put these out as a bonus to try to maybe entertain and maybe inform somebody. So I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go down and subscribe below, because I'll do more videos like this, including project tips, tool reviews, and more. I appreciate each and every one of you. Till next time, take it easy.